Hello and welcome back to RPIIT Academics. This is Milind working with RPIIT Technical and Medical Campus Plaza, Karnal. In this video, I'm going to talk about a topic which is becoming a talk of the town, that is fast food or fast food kills. So, do you know how dangerous fast food can be? We like eating food from McDonald's or KFC because we like hot dogs, hamburgers, cheeseburger, and chips. It is normal. First of all, our body needs a balanced diet, therefore, we need some fat, sugar, and salt in our diet, but not too much. Everything should be in equal proportion or balanced proportion. That's why it is called balanced diet. Furthermore, fast food is very convenient because it is available whenever we want it. Fast food is very cheap and we can buy it everywhere, so we don't need to make meals at home. That is the biggest benefit of fast food. On the other hand, if we eat fast food, we eat large amount of additives because fast food is full of saturated fat and other chemicals. Furthermore, fast food is not healthy. It does not provide us with enough vitamins and minerals, which are the essential nutrients of our diet. We should eat fruits and vegetables too. Do you know what you eat? This is a process of making hamburger. We have a cow and then we kill it. We prepare meat and make a hamburger from it. The vegetables showing on your screen can be used for making salads at a fast food outlet. We fry these meat and prepare salad from these vegetables. Finally, we get it together in a special bread roll and put ketchup and mustard on it. This is the end product of those things. To sum up, fast food is good, but we must eat in all the time because we don't really know how it is made and it is unhealthy and make us fat. Do you really want to look like that? There are the some images on your screen. Do you really want to look like these people? The first wealth is health. So we can't eat only fast food. We should consider our balanced diet. We should have balanced diet, balanced nutrients. So that's all about fast food consumption. I hope you like this video. Please do like and subscribe our YouTube channel RPIIT Academics.